Hi everybody. This is the new MyVi 2018 from Perodua. Locally assembled in Malaysia. The long-awaited third generation of Malaysia's most popular car, the Perodua MyVi, offering greater levels of equipment, comfort, fuel economy and safety. It comes in 4 variants, 1.3 Standard G, 1.3 Premium X, 1.5 High and 1.5 Advance. The interior is so much better than its predecessor. Just look at it. You can almost put an elephant inside the car boot. We don't really care. It's a good-looking car. Almost like a Ford Fiesta and Volkswagen Polo wannabe. The price ranging from 45,000 ringgit to 57,000 ringgit before discount and before road tax. We really like the latest MyVi. It is very stylish at an affordable price. It looks so much better than the latest Proton Persona. 3 stars. Younger brother go to college car.